Welcome back to my channel. Recently, mosquito complaints have increased in many countries. Now, these flies which sting even on clothes carry various diseases. They affect the health of people and animals, that it became threat for everyone. Instead of taking precautions by chemical means, let's see how we can easily and completely remove mosquitoes with 10 different natural methods. Method 1. Lavender. Mosquitoes hate the smell of lavender. Dripping a few drops of lavender oil on your skin will keep mosquitoes away from you during the day of this application. It is 93% effective in indoor areas and 58% effective in outdoor areas. If you are using air freshener, you can use air freshener containing the scent of lavender, but this would not be a natural method. So instead, drop 10 drops of lavender oil into 1 liter of water and fill it into spray bottle. You can spray it to various places in the room. You can grow lavender in a pot or in your garden. The smell of lavender will repel mosquitoes. If you are going to use dry lavender, put 2 tablespoons of lavender in a teapot. Add a half liter of water to it. Boil for 7 to 8 minutes. Be sure to close the lid so that the aroma does not go away during boiling. After cooling down, rub it on your hand, face, feet 3-4 times. It will keep mosquitoes away from you. In the meantime, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to support my channel. You can subscribe with click from the bottom right corner. The subscription is free of charge. In a second method, it is a tea tree oil. Tea tree oil grows on the coast of Australia, should not be confused with the tea plant. This oil has antiseptic, antimicrobial and anti-infection properties. It is especially strong against mosquitoes. Apply it to tulle curtains or door beads again. You can drip 4 to 5 drops into 1 liter and use it with the help of sprayer. Drop a drop of tea tree oil on place stung by a mosquito and rub it. The trace will disappear in a few hours. Our third method to repel mosquitoes is vanilla. Although the smell of vanilla smells very nice to us, mosquitoes can't stand this smell. You definitely won't see a mosquito in an environment with a vanilla smell. You can use vanilla scented spray as an air freshener, but this will not be a natural method either. So let's make our own spray ourselves. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor to a glass of water and spray it on you with the help of a sprayer. Even if you are in an open area, you will see the benefits of using this spray when you see mosquitoes around you. Pay special attention to the fact that the vanilla flavor you will use in this process is sugar-free and alcohol-free. If there is sugar and alcohol in the vanilla you will use, its effect will be 50% less. Fourth method is black pepper. Black pepper does not kill flies, it only prevents them from biting you. Black pepper hides your smell so mosquitoes cannot feel you. The black pepper you use will give off an odor when it's thrown out along with sweet. This is an effect odor for mosquitoes. But if you want more effective method, you should use black pepper oil. Black pepper oil is the most effective among the oils that can damage your skin. So drip a little on your hand, don't drip too much, you can damage your skin. Spread this oil with your other hand, wait half an hour on your skin. If there is no redness, they say there is no problem, but you still do not give up precaution. Let's say there is no redness. If you want to turn it into a spray and use it on your own will again, you can drip 5 drops of black pepper oil into 1 liter of water and use it like that. Our fifth method is apple cider vinegar. Mix apple cider vinegar and water in a 1:1 ratio. So fill half a liter of apple cider vinegar into half a liter of water and put them in 1 bottle. And after that you can pour them into a glass of cup. After you fill the mixture into cup or any container, you can put it next to the window. Especially put it in places where flies can enter. This smell will drive flies away. Fill this mixture into a spray bottle. You can prevent flies by spraying on the windows and places where mosquitoes can come. If you want this mixture to be more effective, you should drip organic lemon oil into it. I'm not saying that you need to drip lemon juice or lemon juice itself. I need organic lemon oil. You just need to drop a 1 drop or 2 of organic lemon oil into this mixture. Remember to shake it after you drip them. You can squeeze it in your arms and legs before going out and mosquitoes will stay away from you. Sixth method, soapy water. This method is to kill mosquitoes. Put soapy water on one side of your room. Melt the soap well in warm water while preparing the soapy water and lather it very well. The more you use the amount of soap, the more effective it is to many pests such as mosquitoes, flies, bedbugs, ants, and they like this liquid and they get into it, and when they get into it, they die inside of it. Our seventh method is mint. Mosquitoes don't like the smell of the mint, as well as vanilla according to some studies. The smell of mint repels mosquitoes. You can repel mosquitoes by eating mint. As with most products, there is also peppermint oil. If you want, you can apply peppermint oil directly to your body. Or after dripping a drop or 2 of peppermint oil into 1 liter of water, you can use it as a spray bottle. Eighth method, basil. Most of us know that the smell of basil is effective against mosquitoes. We definitely put a potted basil on our balcony every summer as a natural method to repel mosquitoes. We know that most friends who camp out definitely take a little basil with them, but basil is not easy to care for. They can fade in a short time or lose their smell. So, for more effective method, I recommend using basil oil again. In the same way, dripping 1 or 2 drops of basil oil into 1 liter of water will be an effective solution. Ninth method is unbearable for some but an effective method for mosquitoes are garlic. Garlic has a smell that mosquitoes cannot tolerate. If you eat a clove of garlic, it is effective in humans as it is for mosquitoes. Like other products, there is also garlic oil. It will be enough to drop 2 to 3 drops of garlic oil into 1 liter of water that you have prepared. Fill the liquid into spray bottle and use this instead of using fly repellents. You can use this liquid when you go camping as well. When you go camping, you can squeeze this liquid all over the tent. If you are in a bad situation, you can even squeeze this garlic mixture on your arm and foot. It will drive the mosquitoes away from you as well as other rodents away from you as well. 10th method. The method I'm going to talk about now. You put the mixture in a jar and put it in a corner of your room and make mosquitoes pass out or even die. To start this process, first find an empty jar and fill it with Himalayan salt halfway up to the jar according to the size of the jar. And then drop 5 drops of lavender oil on the salt, and then drop 5 drops of tea tree drop, and then 5 drops of garlic oil. When you are gonna use it, open the mouth of the jar and put the jar next to the window. Thanks to the smell of they emit, it will chew the flies and mosquitoes around and kill some of them as well. I would like to warn when using these oils that some bodies may be allergic to these products. Drop a product that you would like to test into the palm of your hand and leave it there for half an hour. If a redness occurs where you make the drop, do not use that product. We have come to the end of another video. Share this video so that everyone can see it and comment on it. At least write a feedback such as simple thank you or a suggestion. If you liked the video, please remember to click on the likes. If you have just come to my channel, subscribe and activate the bell to support my channel. See you in my next videos.